Welcome to dinner at Donovan's. This week it's young Jimmy's birthday. Jimmy's 2, he requested chicken nuggets. Blue cheese dressing for the adults, with a little Alabama barbecue sauce, slaw, corn, that's it. Then we're going to make our little Alabama white sauce. We're going to dip our chicken in that tonight. Mayonnaise, bush cheese, cider vinegar, cat of garlic, cat of onion, black pepper, all mixed together. Alright, next we're going to make a nice little blue cheese sauce. We've got sour cream, blue cheese, lemon, a little bit of mayo and some garlic. Our slaw, we've got a cider vinegar dressing, olive oil, sugar, garlic, Dijon mustard, salt and a few herbs. Let's get these little nuggies on the roll. Half time. Yeah, nuggets. Knocked up a bit of bread this morning. I'm just going to serve that with tonight's dinner. Guys, chicken nuggies for the fam. Now hook in.
The white one was the barbecue, was the blue cheese.